So, sorry there's no fancy intro, but temperature update is still hot, really hot, but there's rain and thunder coming over the weekend, so I need to crack on with the engine bay. The rust converter's arrived, so I can crack on with that today. And then I think, Danny, are you going to do the top coat or the grey? Yeah. Then Danny can do that. I'm not sure what's after that, it's just too bloody hot, so let's get on with it. You alright there?
Yeah, I'm sorry for myself.
Because last night we went out for our first night out since COVID regulations or whatever relaxed. Went to see Fatboy Slim at the Cheese and Grain in Frome. It was really good, really lively. Felt a bit weird being out against so many people, but it was so hot in there, ridiculously hot. I was designated driver, so I didn't drink. But Danny, zoom in on you. Let's have a look.
I think it went wrong with the tequila shot. It went downhill after that. I blame Holly.
You're going to be much use today, aren't you? Just get to work. It's actually cooler down in here than out of the engine bay, so that's a good start. That's where we're to. I'm going to have a tidy up of. Just want to show you bloody bright. So I've got a couple bits down. These awkward bits to clean up and give it a good scrape. I might actually do this section, done this yet. And then once that's clean and degreased, I can do it, paint the whole lot.
Well, you said it's all done. Something tells me I should leave the town. Wanna have you one more time. Play your tricks on my worried mind.
That's it, slack on the job.
We stopped filming for a bit just because I couldn't bear to bore you as bored as I was doing that. It's all degreased as much as I can be bothered. Now, VACTAN, don't worry, got a mask. Empty spray bottle make things easier. Now, where to start? Because I don't want to do a bit and then not be able to reach another bit because I've done a bit. Bottom and up, isn't it?
I don't really know. What bits have you done? Just that back bit?
Just back in this corner. So I'll do the awkward bit down in there. Holy shit. What a job. Able to wait 24 hours. I will show you what it looks like.
We're both working tomorrow, so yeah, it'll be a couple of days until you see us again. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. I know it's not the end of the video, is it?
It's just the start. It's just the beginning.
Good morning. It's a bit miserable out today, so I'm not sure what we're going to be able to get up to. Danny's just sleeping after a night shift. I've got a couple of errands I need to run and then come back, pick Danny up, and then yeah, figure something out for today inside in the dry. So it's just a flying visit at the boat for now. I'm just here to pick up a key to get a cut so we can have a shower over it. That's the key picked up. Now there is a little bit of water gathered at the front because once we painted the VACTAN, I wanted to stop as much water getting in the engine bay as possible, so I blocked it off. But now we got a nice little build up here. So I'm going to have to clear that out before it rains again. I haven't actually looked at what the VACTAN looks like fully cured, so let's have a quick gander. I can't be bothered to lift up the engine bay, so I'll have a look better later on when I'm over it, probably. Don't look too bad. All this is going to get painted over in grey oxide anyway, but I'm going to have to let that tube down into a bowl and then pump it out somehow. Next on my list is to run these couple of bits of timber down to replace the rotten sliders up here. Need to run them down to 40 by 35mm. Now my dad's got a Jesus. My dad ain't got Jesus. My dad's got a table saw, so I'm going to go and visit him on site, borrow that, get the key cut, get some diesel, and then hopefully it'll be time to pick Danny up. Right, let's go see if we can use this saw. Right, thank you.
YouTube now.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
Right, next up, get the key cut, get some diesel, bit of grocery shopping, and then go and see if Danny's ready to work. So, keys are no go. Ordered the wrong blanking. Good morning, kids.
Good morning. Oh no.
What?
Oh, it's good.
Good morning, kids.
Morning.
We actually called it a day yesterday because we got rained off, and this one wanted to stay in bed for a bit longer than we thought.
I was all night. It's not like I just wanted to stay in bed. I just finished night, so had a bit of a chilling day.
Luckily, the forecast are changing. Today is supposed to be not sunny, but dry at least until like 7 o'clock tonight. So we're going to have a go at painting the first coat on top of the primer in the engine bay. Or Danny is. You've taken this job on, haven't you?
Yep. I'm a bit cold. Got a jumper.
Get to work, getting that warm me up, isn't it? Right, first job of the day.
Why is this like this?
Because I've plugged the pipes pointing outside, so it didn't get the VACTAN wet. It's not blocked. It's because the tube's above. It's physics. Tubes.
How are we going to get it all out?
Gonna put it into bowls and then build it out. Nice. Now this is a VACTAN update. It looks really clean in here. Could just leave
Is
it
that
like
a bit wet?
Where? Yeah, that's where Danny lifted up the swan and duck food and had water on it, then it dripped onto the lid, and then when I opened the lid up it poured off in there.
Alright.
You gotta get busy with the blue roll, aren't you? You got something on your head. Where? Come here. Oh, it's gone. Sorry.
What are you doing?
I've got to remember this pipe, haven't I? Good. Yeah. Keep going.
It won't because it's not flat, will it? It's like
Let's go in it. Yeah.
Oh, is it?
See it? Please stop.
That's going to go everywhere. Oh! Sick.
Alright, you tip that a minute. Next up on the to-do list.
Last but not least is the last hatch.
Missing this
Stick that
plywood.
in. And then we can put the locks in.
Tell the temperature difference compared to the other day, 'cause it's real quite stiff again. Lovely.
Yep. Oh, thank you. Do I need this bit?
Goes up over your head. That goes on your skull, top of your skull. The other one, the other strap. Undo that, and then that goes around your neck.
I'm gonna get hot.
Let me just steal the paint whilst you figure that out.
Oh, you bugger.
So we're using garage floor paint because it's oil resistant and scrubbable and all the rest of it. And this was left over from when we painted Mabel's garage.
You said it's gonna be a time for you and me, and didn't I know it? Everything is gone, we're children of the war. Where do we go now? We're going nowhere, we're gonna miss the sky, we're gonna find ourselves in the afterlife. We're going nowhere, we're gonna miss the sky, we're gonna find ourselves in the afterlife. I know you wanna go, choose this own.
Flip it out. Swirl it all about.
You do the head cookie and turn around. That's what it's all about. So that is the first coat done. It's not perfect, but there's only a couple bits that maybe need touching up. Joe is insistent that we do a second coat, but hopefully it'll just be like certain areas and stuff that need it. It's oil based, so it's going to take a bit of time to dry, so perhaps come back tomorrow if the weather allows and finish it off. But it looks good. It's all in my hair. I can feel it in my hair. It's real. Oh. You happy with it?
Yeah, I really like it. Next step's going to be cleaning up the engine a bit. I'm going to replace some of the throttle cables and gear cable and whatnot. Just keep it tidy. And then I need to make a plywood base of some sort so I can store all the leisure batteries in here. I think I'm going to put them here. That's where the starter battery is. I've got to figure all that out now. But it's just a nice clean space to work and run cables. Oh, it looks so much better.
Can I have some Wonder Wipes?
Of course you can. I think that's going to be us for this week because we're trying to get a week ahead so that when me and Danny do a full week's work each, we don't miss out on a video. So thanks for watching. Thank you for all the lovely comments as usual. What are you doing? Trying to say bye.
Bye! Where's the Wonder Wipes?
Lived on a boat for 21 years. I don't even hear it. No. Good morning. So today's a tan. It's gonna take a while.
Why do we get a rolling pin?
A roller.
Yeah.
And the back, where your brush is, come back up a little bit on the back of that little tab that's hanging off.
Huh? Here?
No,
What?
the little tab going off the diesel tank.